first question is, intro ka muna. Tell us about yourself.
Hello world!
Yes!
Upon ang hilong taon namin, I am Henry Estacio, 23 years old, a fresh graduate of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management. And recently, I applied at the Philippine Air Force Officer Candidate School to protect and serve on our nation. Ladies, gentlemen, and the members of the LGBTQIA+, once again, I am Henry Estacio, your first ever Mr. World Philippines Ifugao Aguio.
First of all, walang LGBT member ba dito?
Wala.
The first question is from the mother of Magic Tree.
One second ko.
Okay. So, mga LGBT, behave.
Kala ko ba wala?
Alam mo ba wala?
So, question ako.
Yes.
Okay,
So,
Henry,
sa-
congratulations. I am Edge of Fashiontology. You can call me Momshi Edge,
Momshi
Edge,
Edge.
or just Edge. Yes! So, can you, Henry, can you give us a short story na kung paano nagkaroon ng communication with you in the organization? Paano ka na-appoint as, of course, to represent the Ifugao at the Mr. World Philippines?
So yun, appoint talaga ako ay nakita muna nila ako sa Mr. and Miss Cordillera Autonomy, ni Miss Jeanette Bocobo, and pagkatapos nun, nakausap na din ako nila Ma'am Jeanette and Miss Valerie to represent the Ifugao, and naghintay pa talaga sila ng 1 to 2 months para sa yes.
And then, so 1 to 2 months na yon, what made you decide na eto na, ready na akong i-represent ang Ifugao sa Mr. World Philippines?
Actually, naisabay talaga siya sa application ko sa Philippine Air Force. That's why ngayon na patapos ko na yung application. And yun, nag-yes ako kay ma'am, sige ma'am, go. Yun yung go signal ko para pumasok sa Mr. World Philippines and to represent my province.
Pumasok ka rin sa puso. Thank you so much, Henry.
Mabilis naman.
Bilis na ba? Oh.
Una, ang ancestor. Ang ancestor?
Hi, Henry. First of all, congratulations. Being the first Mr. World Philippines. Okay, the last leader of Mr. World Philippines was from Mount Brazil. Do you think you can double his output or you can duplicate his output this time? Sa panahon na ikaw naman nagsasali.
For me, hindi. Hindi ko kaya maging si Kurt, pero I can be Henry Estacio.
Oh!
Yes naman sir. Kasi ibang caliber naman si Mr. Kurt and I'm Henry and hindi ko kaya tubasan yun. But I can do my best to be one all the time.
Oh!
Thank you.
Can you tell us more who is Henry? Up close,
Sige. I started sa municipality na namin, which is Lamot. Doon ako na-discover nila Miss Corinne. From Lamot to my university, Mugao State University, to Cordillera Administrative Region Athletic Association, and doon na nag-start. And yun.
Is this your first pageant na magre-represent ka ng Ifugao? Wala ka sinalihan before.
On national sir, yes. And
So, for your mga initial preparation, parang
Siyempre sir, pinaka-common is the physical appearance. Yung, kasi yun yung pinakailangan dito sa pageant, na your face, body. Pero sa akin, I prepare myself talaga mentally and spiritual. Kasi the more na mas malapit ka kay God, nagsisik ka kay God ng help, mas tutulungan ka niya para mas mapalapit sa journey.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hello po, nandiyan pa ba sina Ethan or friends?
Kasi
Mari
inside.
po po magbato ng tanong sa inyo.
Kasi inside.
Ang manima. Hello po, question lang. Ano na po mga detalye sa Mr. World Philippines?
Okay.
Without Ethan.
Bakit?
Sir Ethan, in the middle.
Yeah. Go.
Ayan, so for the details, November 15 is our final screening for all the candidates that we will scout from all over the Philippines. So we have different screening schedules in Tarlac, Pampanga, Bulacan, Quezon Province, Laguna, and Cebu.
Our
So,
franchise lang to, no? Or screening, sorry, screening proper lang.
yes, screening proper, wala siyang franchise pa. Since this is the first time na magkakaroon kami ng Mr. World. And then, all the activities will start formally on right after ng screening. So 16, we have different trainings, like of course the personality development, and then we also have the Pasarela training with Mami Shandy, of course, the Mami Shandy itself, and then we also have the 2 provincial tours, and hindi ko muna reveal kung saan, but doon yung isa doon gaganapin yung NATCOS, and then the other one would be the swimsuit competition.
Yun ang i-reveal mo saan yung swimsuit.
Ha?
Saan yung swimsuit?
Wag muna.
Wag ka muna.
Oo, wag muna. Ayun, so of course we have sports challenge. Actually yung Mr. World naman is same na same lang din ng Miss World. So we have the Beauty with a Purpose. We also have the sports challenge. We also have the head-to-head challenge. We also have the the talent competition, Dances of the World, and then what's the other one?
Gila.
The Gala Night and the runway competition.
Runway challenge.
Yes, runway challenge.
Model pala.
So yun. Nasagot ko po ba na?
Finals.
Finals, ang target namin will be first week ng January.
Kasabay naman.
Why?
Kasabay
Because,
naman.
yes, back to back po tayo, Miss World, Mr. World.
Ayun, January.
So, yun. Why? Kasi mahirap kumuha ng schedule sa MOA Arena. Ayun.
That's why. Evening or back to back?
Back to back po. Parang, yes, back to back ng araw. Saturday, I'm not sure if Saturday yung Miss World, Sunday yung Mr. World. Yeah. Pero basta back to back sila ng days.
Back to back na.
Yes.
May budget.
Yes. Kailangan reserve namin ng MOA Arena ng 3 araw para sa ingress ng Friday kasi malaki yung stage. So, kailangan na ng whole day to construct the stage itself. Yun. Diba? Para nakaran tayo doon.
Yes.
Yes.
May budget.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
May budget tayo.
May
of
budget.
course. Para saan pa anak tayo ni Noah?
Thank you, sir.
Isa pa tayo kay Henry naman. Henry, maaari bang malaman kung ano ang ginagawa mo para mag-stress or mag-relax?
Tagalog.
Personally, talagang pangtagal ko ng stress is running. Every morning, nagumigising ko ako ng 4 a.m. to 4:30 and nag-jog ako ng MWF and TTH, depende sa schedule ko. But MWF, nag-10K to 15K ako every morning. But in the TTH, 5K lang. Morning and afternoon. Yun talaga pinagtatasan ko ng stress ko.
Thank you. The rest of luck to you.
Ayan na!
Ano kulay ng damit mo? Hi Henry, my name is Franz. But you can call me Morris Franz. Question lang, kasi Miss World, nakafocus siya sa beauty with a purpose. So mostly siya advocacy. As a Mr. World Ifugao, ano naman yung advocacy? Could you share to us your advocacy?
My advocacy, yung advocacy ko talaga is more on cultural conservation. But ngayon is nasa national market na tayo, mas gusto ko nang i-generalize yung advocacy ko is dinagdagan ko yung cultural conservation ng protect and serve. Kasi nga, just like what I said earlier na nag-apply ako sa Philippine Air Force. Kaya dinagdag ko yung protect and serve sa cultural conservation. Thank you.
Thank you. And also, di ba sinabi mo kanina that this is your first international,
Let's claim it.
international pageant.
Yeah.
This is your first national pageant. And you joined na regional and provincial pageant. Kamusta mo yun yung preparation mo? Kasi syempre, national pageant na. So, saan ka nag-focus mostly? Kasi national pageant na. This coming November na yung start ng pageant niyo.
Yun, tulad nga ng sabi ni Sir, may sports challenge. Kaya yun talaga yung ginagawa ko every morning, magpapalakas talaga tayo. And hindi lang doon naman yung focus natin. And basa-basa din every afternoon sa mga current events. Mostly wala naman talagang pinagbago sa routine ko. Talaga yung pag-gising na ng umaga, ng maaga.
Thank you and good luck and also good luck to the team of Ikuda.
Thank you.
Ayan na!
First and foremost, congratulations on your report. I would like to ask Ms. Janet before, kasi she mentioned earlier na parang you saw each other's sentiment in Cordillera. So, kasi for us, as national director, you are actually, you have your own vision and mission before you qualify, di ba? Yung representative for Ifugao. So, for you po ba, nakita niyo yung vision and mission ng isang organization kay Henry? Sorry, nakita. Kita niya nakita. Dito na. Siya.
Well, actually, at the time, I was a judge for Mr. and Miss Cordillera. I personally handpicked Henry to become our spokesperson for What's Up Negros. Kung ano yung nakita ko sa kanya, I saw a man who's very humble, who's very grounded, and who is very passionate about what he does. Hindi ako na-impress sa physique, pero na-impress ako kung paano siya nakipag-usap sa akin. And just like I've been telling my entire team, for me to be able to pick a candidate is someone who's trainable, who's grounded and humble enough to accept our mentorship, and at the same time, yung may vision na naka-align sa vision namin. Just like what I told you guys, I fell in love with Ifugao. So I fell in love with the culture, with the people, hence si Henry napilihan. So, nandun kami sa stage na we get to know him better kasi unlike Valerie that we've had Valerie since she was 12. So Henry, I've known him for a couple of months and para ko na rin siyang anak just like, Val. So, day by day, na-discover ko na athlete pala siya. So he plays volleyball. So ang dami kong mga na-discover sa kanya. Pero, to answer your question, yes, naka-align siya sa vision namin to have the first Mr. World Ifugao ever na matalino, mahiyain talaga yun, mahiyain, grounded, at hindi aggressive. But when you see him perform on stage, halimaw.
Gusto niyo tayo halimaw!
Yeah. How is it working with him? Collaborative ba rin siya? Like, syempre ngayon planning kasi na competition ng national stage. Yes. May mga input rin po ba siya na gusto sabihin sa inyo, na gusto ko?
I've always been like that. My primary concern is my candidate is comfortable with the things that we want him to do. May input siya when it comes to changing his outfits, his wardrobe. In fact, there was a fun activity that we all did with Ashley, with Henry, with Valerie. We all went together to shop for his wardrobe. So, nakakatuwang experience kasi I've never handled a male candidate for a pageant. So, eye-opener din sa akin na, oh, okay, hindi ba din pala dapat, guys? Mas madali pala. Alam mo, hindi ang kailangan mong masyadong ang gown at hindi mapupuna sa sa press. At ang importante is how well you will receive Henry. Matutuwa kayo sa journey niya, matutuwa kayo sa ipapakita niya. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Tita. Congratulations. And of course, to Henry.
Mas lang po rin. Pagkita naman.
For Henry, since you're the first ever representative of Ifugao at the Mr. World Philippines, syempre, ang first trait ko ni Valerie, actually right now, she is really like a standard na rin on social media, like in every pasabog na pinapalabas ng social media, meron rin siyang collaboration with Orange and Lemons, like standard na talaga, parang ready to tame the crowd. How about you? How ready are you to take the Mr. World Philippines crown?
So yun, the preparation talaga is, and to represent talaga the Ifugao, my province is nakaka-overwhelm talaga. Nasasabi ko sa pinakakita. And yung standard natin, Miss Valerie. So, para sa akin, di naman sa lumaki, pero nakita ko yung culture sa Ifugao. And yun yung mas gusto kong ipakita. And siguro hindi muna ngayon, but the next day, next week or next month, may pakikita ako na may mas bago sa
Anong ipapakita
Ano
mo?
ba pakita?
Be specific.
bago sa panlasa ng masa na hindi siya usually nakikita sa Ifugao. Pasabog.
Abangan namin yung pasabog na yan, Henry.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for congratulations.
Bakit kinikilig?
Ano mo? Ano kayo? Special? Ano?
Ay!
Ay,
Ah!
she's strong.
The one-sided of pageant.
Hi, Henry. First, congratulations.
Bakit English?
Ang ipis mo dyan, Ben.
Ayan, so, yung question ko sa'yo
Ay,
is,
si Edge.
first, how do you feel right now that you're being sashed as the first ever Mr. World of Philippines Ifugao?
Actually, I'm nervous and starving right now.
Second question, are you an introvert or extrovert?
Ambivert.
Oh! Pastel mo!
Gaya.
Pastel mo!
Extrovert. Well, Henry, how are you going to show to the other candidates or delegates of Mr. World Philippines being the first ever candidate of Mr. World representing Ifugao?
I will show what?
How will you show and how do you plan to compete with the other candidates or delegates?
Of course, first glance, wala naman ako pwede sa mga candidates, but my perseverance, my talent, my knowledge, and my skills, siguro yun yung ilalaban ko sa nationals. And for me, hindi lang to about sa being competitive, but to enjoy the process ng pageant na to. And yung mapasama dito sa Mr. World Philippines and to represent my province, Ifugao, is so much, too much sa akin. Napakalaking opportunity ito na nabigay sa akin. And yung may papakita ko talaga is kung sino ako, kung sino kami.
Alright, so last question. Talking to the Mr. World Philippines competition itself, ano yung mga gusto mo ma-experience? Like yung mga
Ikaw daw gusto mo
activities?
Ikaw daw gusto mag-experience.
Yun, dahil nasabi nga na lumang na I am athlete and a volleyball player also. Gusto ko talagang maranasan yung sports challenge. Kasi hindi ko pa siya natatry. So, is it a triathlon?
4 different challenge games. Like we have basketball, swimming, badminton, and of course volleyball.
Oh, so,
Kaya.
siguro sa volleyball, okay na. Kaya, itatry natin sa ibang sports. Yun yung gusto kong ma-experience dito sa Mr. World Philippines.
Basta
And of course, makasama ko sa national stage.
Thank you so much. And that's not right.
Bakit basa? Oo. Gusto ko ba experience?
Kurt Ponda.
Ay!
I'm Mark Talario, Celebrate International.
Lalaki
Oh, lalaki.
Pre!
First question. Ano yung mga natutunan mo sa Mr. Aldiniera na pwede mong dalhin sa Mr. World Philippines na posibleng magpapanalo sa'yo?
Yung pinaka natutunan ko talaga is yung always keep your feet on the ground. Kasi totoo siya eh. Kapag nananalo ka, tapos yung panalo is umaangat na sa ulo mo. And yung bagsak, sobrang sakit na. And na-try ko na siya. Kasi doon nga nung pagkapanalo ko, last 2024, from Ifugao State University to Gotan or Mr. and Miss Ifugao, medyo doon na ako na tumaas yung yabang, sabihin natin ito. And sobrang sakit nung pagbagsak. Kaya yun talagang pinaka-natutunan ko nung sumali ako sa Mr. Miss Cordillera na always keep your feet on the ground.
Nabighani naman siya.
Mars basa. Mars basa.
Last, can you give us 3 fun facts?
Ay, very extraordinary.
Wala siya eh.
Very representative.
Launch 3 fun facts about me. I'm not just an athlete, but also a online gamer.
Oh, streamer.
Streamer.
Tama, hindi ka streamer
Ano
game.
lang talaga? Laro lang talaga.
Offline.
Discord.
Yun.
Offline games.
One yun. Online game. And yun. Personal ko guys, yung pagka-battle guys, may lang ako na gusto ko na lang mapasal sa Armed Forces of the Philippines. Second, fun fact. And the third one is siguro sa ano ko, hindi ko ma-explain. Gusto kong lumabas sa comfort zone ko, pero hindi ko may labas ko.
So, ito yung challenge mo.
Kaya, yun one of the third fun fact sa akin na may gusto lang ako ilabas. Na hindi ko may labas sa sarili ko and dito ko ilalabas sa stage.
Ilalabas ko J. Marmo!
Yeah!
J. Marmo!
Hi, Henry. Christian from the Grand Region. So, Henry, what was your family's reaction when they knew that you're signing up for Mr. World Philippines Ifugao? And in Ifugao, di ba, I mean, there are tribes. Did you have to ask permission or consent from your family or from your tribe?
For asking permission, hindi naman na ganun kahirap para sa family ko kasi kapag sumasali ako, talagang todo support na lang sila sa akin. And kung sinabi ko kay mother ko, sinabi niya lang sa akin na hindi ba yung makaka-apekto sa application mo sa Air Force. And sabi ko, hindi naman siguro kasi patapos na. And hinihintay ko lang talaga yung final interview ko bago ako makita kung nasa finalist nga ba. Pero kung going back to your question, yes, gusto nila na sumali ako. At hindi lang, kasi more sa regionals na ako hindi pa ako nakakalabas sa nationals. Kaya pinupush din talaga ako ng, not just my family but also my province na lumabas sa national natin. Thank you.
So, I mean, maybe the others were also asking about your family background. You are, I mean, how many siblings do you have? Or
Yes.
Yes! Guess daw.
Yes.
Jay, guess.
As future, guess.
As future.
Yes daw, yes.
Siguro mga 4.
Iron.
Ay!
Iron.
Lagot ka, Mars.
Oh, okay.
Dami.
And I'm second to the last.
Second.
Second to the last. So, Mars, handa ka na ba?
Handa ka na ba?
Handa ka na to meet the
Medyo? Pangilan ka?
Second to the last.
Second to the last.
Nine.
Pang 9.
Nine. Oh, 9.
Hi, Henry.
Wala!
Henry Morales from the Live platform. Si Henry ba ay single?
Oy!
Secret.
Showbiz.
What do you think the quality or qualities of Ifugao, like one Ifugao candidate that will outshine other candidates on the Mr. World Philippines competition?
So, siguro kukunin yung sinabi ni Ma'am Jeanette na pagiging authentic. Kasi pagiging authentic naman is hindi mo siya makikita or hindi mo siya makukuha ng sa isang gabi lang. Being authentic is from your childhood hanggang sa ngayon. And hindi siya basta-basta na ma-achieve ng kung sino-sino ng nasa sala. Yun lang.
Thank you.
Brian. Us. Don't be shy, Brian.
I'm Brian from Panis Spectacle. So, nababanggit mo lang kanina na 10 kayong magkakapatid, correct? So, anong advantage or disadvantage na mabelong sa isang napaka-malaking family? And in the future, would you personally prefer mo din ba ng ganyan kalaki na family?
Siguro yung advantage is masaya kasi madami ko yung magkakasama. And actually, may kakasal na yung kapatid ko eh. Kinuha pa ako na best man. Yun yung masaya doon. Pwede mong pulin yung mga kapatid mo as your best man. And yung disadvantage talaga is, let's say, poverty. Hindi napagplanuhan. But still, nakapagtapos kami lahat. Nakapagtapos na ako. And inihintay na lang namin yung bunso namin na magpapagtapos.
And in the future, gusto mo ba ng
Hindi talaga. Oo. Kasi alam naman natin yung inflation ngayon. Sobrang taas na and hindi na kaya i-support yung gano'n kalaking pamilya sa ngayon pa naman.
Alright, thank you.
Gusto niya 12.
Gusto niya 12.
Wow.
Hello, Henry.
It's your turn!
So, Henry, if ever you win the crown, Mr. World Philippines, so what can you offer to Miss Janet? And of course, Mr. World Philippines or MC?
Offer sa'yo dyan.
Offer?
Miss Corinne. Miss Corinne from Ifugao.
Miss Corinne.
The handler and the discover.
Siyempre yung may babalik ko lang talaga sa nila is yung kung ano yung naibigay talaga nila sa pagkasimula ko pa lang. And yun yung respect. Kasi hindi mo siya pwedeng maibigay sa tao kung hindi man nila ito naibigay sa'yo. And yeah, very thankful ako na never akong, yes, napagsalitaan, pero in a good way. And yun yung kaya ko ibigay at ibalik sa kanila. And dun sa Mr. World naman, kung ano yung kaya ko ibigay, of course, the rich culture. And yun yung kaya ko i-share, not just in regional, but also in the national budget. Yeah. And also in the international too, sakali. Our rich cultural heritage in Ifugao.
Okay, so you mentioned earlier na parang 10 kayo magkapatid and then pang 9 ka. So what lesson you learned sa mga nakakatanda na kapatid mo? Na sa tingin mo pwede mo magkakaroon sa isa?
Pinaka talaga is discipline. 7 of my brothers are in the AFP. Kaya talagang discipline yung pinaka natutunan ko sa kanila. discipline, and also in leadership. Kapag, siyempre, pag uwi sila sa bahay, halika nga dito. Bakit hindi ito maayos? Ganun talaga sila eh. Kaya yun talaga, yung disiplina, yun talaga pinaka-natutunan ko sa aking mga kapatid. Thank you.
Right to Miss Janet.
Ah!
Miss Janet, so what did you decide to accept or kunin itong franchise na Mr. World?
Actually, during the press conference of Miss World Ifugao, when we sat Valerie, I was given the opportunity by Mr. Begatria to get Mr. World. Ang sabi niya, it's going to be a milestone for the province of Ifugao to have the first. Ako naman, of course, it's my pride and joy to have the first queen of Ifugao, and then meron na rin ako Mr. World, di ba, my king? Nagkataon lang talaga, kasi maraming nagpipresenta. Nagkataon lang na Henry and Valerie have the same demeanor. And that's what I'm looking for. I will not waste my time or spend resources or exert such effort to actually promote the province and their people if hindi kami naka-align sa values. So, isa yun sa nakita ko kay Henry. Kasi Ilocana din ako. And nakita ko sa kanya yung pagiging down-to-earth and humble niya during the competition. Kasi iba din sa main pageantry. That was my first time to judge. So, I accepted. Para lumawak pa yung kaalaman ko sa pageantry, sa world at industriya na ginaganawan natin lahat.
Yes!
And now, of course, with the appointment and the trust that Mr. Vigafria had given me to handle the United States, isang malaking responsibility din yun. Sending a candidate to a pageant is not just sending someone who's beautiful or handsome. It has to be aligned with the actual organization of Mr. World or Miss World. And it has to be aligned with the set of values that the organization has. And I'm very proud that working with Miss World and Mr. World Philippines, nakita ko on how the set of values are being taught to their candidates. Nasa kandidato na lang on how they will take the set of values and apply it to their dance. Thank you.
Sorry.
Alright. Hi, Henry. John Ray here. Paano mo dinideel yung pressure right now, knowing that this is your first ever national pageant and you are the first ever representative of your province to Mr. World Philippines?
Para sa akin walang pressure eh. Meron, pero hindi naman ganun ka-pressure kasi wala akong sinusundan sa Ifugao. Ako talaga yung pinaka-first. So, standard muna. So, ako muna yung mag-set ng standard. So, yung next yung makakuha ng pressure.
Good point. So, na-mention mo na ikaw mag-set ng standard bilang ikaw ang first ever representative. So, paano mo gustong maalala ka ng iyong mga successor?
Siguro sa winning streak from my municipality to province to regionals to nationals. Siguro doon nila ako mas naaalala eh.
And last question kay Miss Cory. Okay. Madam, kwento niyo naman po kung paano niyo na-discover si Henry, and can you share po yung mga some things about him na hindi pa niya na-share?
Yeah! Discover!
Good afternoon, everyone.
Para po mas maganda sa ating mga live audiences. Live from Ifugao News.
Ifugao International.
So, si Henry po, student namin siya sa Ifugao State University under the College of Business and Management. So, sinali po namin siya for Mr. Ifugao State University in 2024. And after that, nag-Mr. Lamot muna. No.
baliktad, Mr. Lamot. Lamot is the municipality of Ifugao. So after Mr. Lamot, Mr. Ifugao State University. Afterwards, we went up the Cordillera Administrative Region States and Colleges Association, where he crowned as the Mr. Cars of 2024. After that, this year, 2024 ulit pala. Magkakasunod po kasi yun eh. Yeah, Mr. Ifugao. After Miss Ifugao, Mr. Cordillera. Yeah, that was held this year. Ayun po. And Henry is a very teachable person. Nakikinig po siya sa mga advice. And kahit hindi na-advice, nagtatanong po yun, ma'am, mali ba yun? Or tama po ba yun, ma'am? Ganon. And marami po kasi kaming mga coaches yun sa school, like our dean and our colleagues. So, sobrang nakaka-proud kasi kahit ganito yung narating namin, niya pala, sobrang humble. And yun yung palagi kong sinasabi sa kanya. To always be humble and to always look up to God, pray always, and ayun, be teachable always. Yun lang. Thank you.
Okay, final question na for Candy. Na-mention mo kanina na majority of your family ay nasa Air Force, AFP. Alright. So, ikaw bilang nag-apply ka for AFP din, usually yung mga ganong uniform personnel is tough. Kailangan laging seryoso and things like that. So, ikaw naman, if ever man, hoping na makapasok ka, paano mo pinabalanse yung pagiging vulnerable mo? Like yung sa inside mo, weak ka, parang pinapakita mo ba minsan
Your
Your vulnerable side.
Ako talaga is ibang personality yung pinapakita ko sa pageantry at sa pag-apply sa my uniform. Kasi pag talaga dito sa pageantry, kailangan yung poise, the look, and how you answer. But sa AFP, let's say, sa armed forces, one question, one answer. Wala nang no more explanation. Saka yung personality lang ko talaga is hindi naman ganun ka hirap intindihin. Talagang dinedepende ko lang talaga sa mga kaharap ko kung ano yung ipapakita kong personality ko. Thank you.
One last question. Okay, for Pao.
Balikan ko yung advocacy mo kasi you mentioned earlier na cultural conservation, diba? Kasi let's face the fact, here in the Philippines, now we still have the cultures of course, but meron specific case lang. But for you ba, yun ba talaga yung gusto mong advocacy in the very first place? Na para mapakita mo sa mundo na this is Ifugao?
Yes, yun talaga yung pinaka-gusto ko kasi in Ifugao, mas pinapreserve and pinakonserve talaga namin yung culture namin doon and hindi talaga nawawala yan. Every occasion, like marriage, may mga patay, gano'n talagang itinutuloy lang namin yung aming culture and hanggang sa kaya namin ito sa mas younger generation para magtuloy-tuloy yung culture namin sa Ifugao. And yun din yung talaga yung gusto kong ipakita, hindi lang sa regional, sa national, kasi we all know that yung ibang culture dito sa Philippines is nawawala na. Kaya gusto talaga namin i-preserve yung culture sa Ifugao. And also to show sa every Filipino kung what is Ifugao.
Thank you. And for Miss Jana na kayo, kasi syempre this is your first ever Mr. World Philippines Ifugao. And you also have Miss World Philippines Ifugao. Napungan ka na ba sa Ifugao? Kasi balik-balik na rin tayo sa Ifugao.
Kaya nga nang kausap ko ang mother ni Valerie. kaninang morning, wishing us luck today. Ang sabi ko sa kanya, kailangan pumunta na ako kay Governor at maghingi na ako ng adopted daughter certificate. Because though Ifugao is there, we're trying to put Ifugao in the map and promote its culture, it being a destination, a tourist attraction, and a place of warm, beautiful people. So, yes, napamahal na ng bonggang-bongga. Kaya kahit na 12 hours ang biyahe, ay babiyahin natin, aakyatin natin ang mga bundok sa rice terraces, susuungin natin ang lahat ng mga rivers and rice terraces ng Batan, at magbubuwis buhay tayo para sa pag-promote ng Ifugao. There's so much things to actually see, at alam mo yan, you've been with me in Ifugao, pero we have yet to experience a full tourism experience in Ifugao. It's really, really good.
Thank you for doing this, Tita. And this wouldn't be possible without your support.
Okay.
Last one. Last question.
Last one.
Overrated question.
Yes.
Guys.
Prepare your cameras.
Prepare your camera.
Henry, prepare your answer. Okay. Now, the most awaited question.
Yes.
Why should you be the next Mr. World Philippines?
Okay, one more.
One more.
One more.
That was practice take. Okay. Why should you be the next Mr. World Philippines?
At first glance, of course, I have nothing to offer, but my being authentic, being real to myself, and being a God-fearing man is the reason for me to become the next Mr. World Philippines. And what can I offer is my culture, not just my heritage and Ifugao, but also to show what is in the Ifugao. Thank you.
Yes. Okay, Henry, if you could do your intro. So your name, province, age, or no?
Name
and province.
Pretend like you're already on the national stage.
Henry Estacio, your Mr. World Philippines, Ifugao, Aguillo.
Okay, thank you so much for all of your questions.